Welcome. This video is for anyone who needs to reconfigure their Train Odyssey unit with a Symbio 700 controller. To start, I have the Symbio service and installation app open on my phone, and my phone is connected to the Symbio 700 controller via Bluetooth. If you are unsure how to get the app on your phone or how to get connected, please reference our video that walks you through those steps. So to reconfigure the Odyssey unit, we need to go to the settings page, and at the top of that page, select View Configuration. On this page, you can scroll through all of the selections currently made on your Symbio 700 controller. All Odyssey units leave the factory pre-configured, but the configuration may need to be changed to meet your specific application. It is best to scroll through this screen during startup and verify that all selections are made properly. And if you see something that needs to be changed, simply select the Edit button in the upper right-hand corner. This pop-up window is warning you that in order to edit the equipment configuration, the equipment must be stopped. Select Proceed to continue. In edit mode, all items with green text are editable. Scrolling through here, you can see that there are many options that are editable, but most of these options will be set correctly from the factory and won't need to be changed. For Odyssey units, the indoor unit is what drives most of the changes. For our setup, I know that we need to change the system type to a variable speed fan. So under system type, I'll select the green text. And here we have a couple acronyms that I'm going to go over. CVZT stands for Constant Volume Zone Temperature, which means a single speed or staged speed fan with the heating and cooling controlling to a zone temperature. VVZT stands for Variable Volume Zone Temperature, which means a variable speed fan with, again, heating or cooling controlling to a zone temperature. We do, in this case, have a true variable speed fan, so I'm going to select VVZT. Then I'll select the green back arrow. While this page loads, I want to direct your attention to the check mark in the upper right-hand corner. This check mark will change color as you make changes to indicate if you have made all selections correctly. Green means the configuration is ready to be saved, and gray means you have more questions that need to be answered. Continuing through here, I'm going to make a change. I know our indoor unit also has electric heat, so I'm going to change the primary heating source to electric. Again, select the back arrow. You can see in the upper right-hand corner that the check mark has now turned gray. This means that we have unanswered questions that we need to find and get answered. Scrolling down through here, I can see that primary heating stages has select 1, which means that it's telling me that I need to go in here and make a selection. So if I select that text, since we added electric heat, I need to tell it how many stages of electric heat that we have. I'm going to select 1, select the back arrow. Our check mark has now changed to green, meaning that all of our questions have been properly answered. Our last change here that we're going to make, I'm going to scroll down to the space controller, and since we have a true variable speed fan, I'm going to switch away from conventional T-stat, and we're going to use a single set point zone sensor. Most train sensors can be configured for either dual set point or single set point. In this case, we are using single set point, so that's what I'll make for a selection and select the back arrow. Scrolling through here, I can see that we've got everything set correctly, and we do have a green check mark in the upper right-hand corner. I will press that to save the new configuration. Once this loads, the controller has been updated with the new configuration, and we're ready to continue through the startup process. Hopefully this helps you guys. Thanks for your time.